Welcome to the Beginner's Guide on Fibonacci Retracement Tools on Barchart.com. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most popular technical analysis tools, Fibonacci Retracements. You'll learn what they are, how traders use them, and how to set them up on Barchart's interactive charts for smarter trading decisions. Before we get started, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's walk through how to add Fibonacci retracements to your chart. Start by typing in the ticker or name of the asset you want to chart. When you reach this page, you'll find the interactive charts on the navigation menu. Now, Fibonacci retracements are a tool traders use to identify potential support and resistance levels based on the Fibonacci sequence. These levels often highlight areas where a price may reverse or consolidate after a move. The key levels to watch are 23.6, 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. On the left toolbar, you'll see the retracement tools here on the menu. Traders use retracements to plan entry and exit points, set stop losses, and predict potential price reversals. And by combining Fibonacci levels with other indicators like volume or trend lines, traders can gain valuable insights into market behavior. Let's clear the chart by clicking the trash icon, and let's walk through how to add Fibonacci retracements to your charts. Click on Retracement Tools, then choose the Fibonacci retracement. Next, click and drag from the swing high to the swing low of the price move you want to analyze. To customize or adjust your Fibonacci retracements, right-click on the tool to access the settings. You can click the lock icon to lock or unlock the tools in place on the chart. And when right-clicking on the tool, you can duplicate, customize, or delete with these icons on the menu. Now let's go into the full screen mode to customize our retracement tool. By right-clicking again and tapping the gear icon, here you can change the colors of each level, add or remove specific levels, and adjust line thickness or the style of the lines. Plus, add or remove backgrounds and adjust the transparency levels. And if you want to clear these changes, click the Actions tab to reset the settings. Once you've customized your retracement tools to fit your specific strategy, just click Apply. And when you're ready to remove this tool from the chart, you can also click the retracement tool and just press Delete. And not all retracement tools are created equally. You can also explore other tools like the trend-based Fibonacci. To add this, click on the chart, drag it to the first point, release the mouse, and drag it to the next point of the trend you want to analyze and click to set the levels. We can then right-click to access the settings and customize this retracement tool to our personal preference. And to get the most out of retracements, combine them with other tools like trend lines and technical indicators like Relative Strength Index (RSI) or volume analysis. This helps confirm signals and reduces false breakouts, so you can stop guessing and start trading with confidence. And that's your guide to Fibonacci retracement tools on Barchart. Whether you're trading stocks, futures, or ETFs, these tools can help you refine your analysis and improve your trading strategies. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and share the knowledge. Drop us a comment if you have any questions or feedback. And before you go, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated for more tips and tutorials on Barchart.com.